Welcome to this technical guide on the Conga 4090. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Conga 4090 is making a funny noise halfway through cleaning, it can be quite concerning. This noise usually indicates an issue with the brush motor, which can lead to less effective cleaning and could potentially cause further damage if not addressed promptly. Ignoring this problem may result in a complete malfunction of the vacuum, leaving you with a more costly repair later on. To carry out this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement brush motor, and some anti-static tweezers. First, make sure to unplug your vacuum from the mains before you start. To open the device safely, locate the screws at the base of the vacuum and carefully remove them using your Phillips screwdriver. Once the screws are out, gently pry apart the casing with your flathead screwdriver, taking care not to damage any clips. The noisy component is typically the brush motor, which can be found near the bottom of the device. To locate it, look for the motor assembly that connects directly to the brush roll. Once you've identified the faulty motor, you will need to disconnect the wires. Take your anti-static tweezers to carefully pull away the connectors, ensuring you don't damage any surrounding components. After disconnecting the motor, remove any screws holding it in place and gently lift it out. Make sure to take note of how it fits, as you will need to install the new one in the same manner. When replacing the motor, ensure that you align it correctly and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the wires, making sure they are snug and secure to avoid any future issues. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is reassembled, carefully put the casing back together, ensuring that all clips click into place and that no screws are left over. Finally, plug your vacuum back in and turn it on to verify that it's working properly without any strange noises. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure you regularly clean the brush roll and check for any blockages in the motor assembly. Regular maintenance can save you from future headaches and prolong the life of your vacuum. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.